How to add slider to Wix website. So for this, we will actually use elfsight.com. So you can sign up using this button right here. Sign up, it's completely free. We can continue with Google, and I will just use one of my Google accounts here. So it's going to look like this, and we want to click on add new app here from the left. And basically here we just want to search for slider, and you should be able to see this option right here, create image, video and text sliders for your website. If we choose this option, then we can choose the type of slider which we want to add. So we can do cafe offers, articles, store offers, full width slider. So I'm going to do full width slider for the sake of this tutorial, and you can customize it right here. If we continue with this template, then we can add the images which we want right here. And we can also change the settings, so we can do the width, we can do all of these different things here. And after you have customized the slider to your liking, then we will click on publish. It will ask us for a plan, but I'm going to do the free one, and this will generate code for us. So we want to copy this code here, and we want to go back to the Wix website editor. Use the search tool to search for HTML, and we will click on embeds. Right here, we will choose embed HTML, and we simply paste the code which Elfsight has generated for us. After you have pasted the code, just click on update, and this will add the slider to our Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.